All right, your question is, what materials should I use for my first prototype? Hi, everyone. I'm JD Houvener, owner, founder, and patent attorney here at Bold Patents Law Firm. And I've been helping inventors now for over 10 years and helping them achieve over 500 patents as of today. I'm also the author of Bold Ideas, the Inventor's Guide to Patents. And I've got a copy of that book if you want to get started at the link right below. This is a really important kit I put together. I've got the update from our second edition of the book from 2021, as well as our resources on patent searching and patent application drafting. So check out that Bold Inventor kit below and get started today. So this question is about prototyping. And as a patent attorney in a law firm, this is really not our perfect forte, although we do have a great network of close providers, designers, engineers, and manufacturers in different parts of the country. As you may know, being a patent law firm, we serve clients all over the U.S., nationwide, because we're a federal practice area, and so we're fortunate enough to have experience doing that and building a network. So we'll probably refer you out regarding prototyping and developing, but I will say, for my 10 plus years doing this, I've learned that additive manufacturing, otherwise known as 3D printing, is one of the coolest, cheapest, and easiest ways to get your product prototyped. So you can actually put your hands on it, develop it far enough to where you can say, yeah, this looks and actually does the job I think it's going to do, even though it's probably not going to be your end product. What I mean by that is that usually when you have a product ready for sale, it'll have a lot more cleaner tolerances, have a good, nice, smooth finish, and the overall architecture will have multiple pieces. Usually it's including metals, plastics, and it'll all be combined into one final market-ready design. Whereas in the prototype version, maybe it's all going to be plastic because you wanted to see if it rotates, see if it performs that function, and the physical world, be able to see that it actually does what you think it does. And that does build a lot of confidence, a lot of momentum forward. And as you kind of iterate, even while it's all plastic or resin, whatever that substrate is that's being 3D printed, you can actually learn to improve your invention. As the invention gets filed, you may have the initial concept, but after working with a prototyper, a 3D printing shop, you realize that, if I took this part out, it would still function the same. Let's make sure we include that as one of the embodiments, one of the versions we want to protect in the non-provisional patent application. And so working closely with your patent attorney on our Bold team, we'll make sure to craft that language really carefully and use the benefit of that 1 year, potentially up to 1 year as your patent's pending, to continually add more definition, more detail to your invention to give you a stronger set of claims in the end. So, I know there's a ton of ways to prototype, and we'll probably still direct you to a third party that is more in line, and that's what they do every day, is design and prototype and help inventors or startups prototype. We have seen that 3D printing has made a lot of leaps and bounds in the past 15, 20 years, and now it's really become quite readily accessible and lower on cost for the individual inventor to get their first prototype made. So hope this has been educational for you. If you have any questions about prototyping or want an introduction, please do send that over to us. We'll be happy to make a referral to the right city and state that you're based in. I'm JD Houvener, owner, founder, and patent attorney at Bold Patents, wishing you an awesome day. Go big, go bold.